Meaning of imperfectly.
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 Imperfectly. The word imperfectly means not done perfectly or without flaws. When something is done imperfectly, it means that there are mistakes or errors in the process or outcome. The result of an imperfect action may not meet the desired standards or expectations, and may require further correction or revision. Imperfectly can also refer to one's ability or skill level, suggesting that they are not yet fully proficient in a particular area. Overall, imperfectly implies a degree of incompleteness or inaccuracy that falls short of full success or perfection.